Cue the drumroll, please. The world's largest living organism isn't the blue whale, not even the majestic sequoia trees. It's a fungus, a honey fungus to be precise. Located in the Blue Mountains of Oregon, this colossal organism stretches over 2,385 acres. Can you believe it? A fungus, something so simple, yet it's outdone every other organism on the planet in size. This honey fungus isn't just a large mass, it's a network of tendrils, silently spreading beneath the forest floor. It's a humbling reminder of nature's power and complexity, isn't it? The largest living organism on Earth, right beneath our feet, hidden in plain sight. A testament to the fact that sometimes the extraordinary is found in the most ordinary of things. Until the next surprising fact, stay curious.